My name's Cameron, I'm from Degani Allenstown, and tonight what I've been doing is I've been doing a nose to tail masterclass in association with the FBA in an effort to show people how you can serve what would normally be wasted and go in the bin and make it taste absolutely fantastic.
I'm Sheree Gooding and I'm from Biloela, a property about 15 kilometres out of there. We run 2 family-owned properties, and on that we have a Charbray stud and also a small Dorper meat sheep operation. So on this journey with the Capricorn Food and Wine Festival and the Farmer Meets Foodie, we've gone that extra step to trying to get product through to an actual restaurant. Cameron, the chef, had a menu that he set and he decided he was going to work with offal, which initially gave me a bit of a moment, and how the heck am I going to make that work with it being best as a fresh product. But we've got a fantastic butcher that we work with. You know, he made it work where they were dropped down there the one day, butchered the next, and then the product was then trucked through to Rocky the following day and arrived to Cameron, and he prepped it, and it was here tonight.
It's been a fabulous evening. I've really enjoyed it. Lots of new ideas and inspiration.
Great opportunity and a great time. I've had 23 people here who were all hungry, happy and left well fed. It's been awesome to work with a range of farmers and just get a hold of some awesome produce and get to showcase what the region has to offer through sustainable farming and agriculture.